Law enforcement is there to protect property. These people are here as the tool of the government to protect the rich. That's all. That's it. They're not here to protect you. They're not here to protect the immigrants. They're not here to fight the cartel. Oh, the cartel. Oh, the dirty cartel. Oh, we hate the cartel, don't we, folks? We hate them. Trust me. The cops don't need your protection. They don't need it. They need to, like, they're wearing masks and they want to, no one's allowed to know who we are. We all have to operate in secrecy. What?
Stepping in the fold and protecting the rest of us. And they have families and people who care about them in
You have people who care about you. Don't be a police ICE.
those residences on the other ends of those phones that are being released, those numbers.
And yeah, that's good. I'm glad people are doing this to ICE. They're the Gestapo. I'm sorry.
And the laws cover the families of the covered persons,
right,
just not these agents. But believe me, those are not activists. They are obstructionists, and it is dangerous.
Obstructionists are dangerous. They're not activists. They're obstructionists.
Under President Trump, he is saying hell no to DEI. He is saying hell no to CRT.
Hell no to DEI and CRT. Wow. Wow. How can we do this? DEI and CRT?
He's saying hell no to the indoctrination of our children. And he's saying hell yes to the idea that America belongs to Americans. A historic slate of executive orders have been issued by President Trump to reclaim control of this government, to reclaim control of our destiny, to reclaim control of our future, and to restore the idea that under a democracy, the entire federal bureaucracy works for President Trump and not the other way around.
Oh my gosh, not for President Trump, but not the other way around. Everyone works for Donald Trump now, everybody. Sorry that you all work for Donald Trump. All of you now work for Donald Trump. I'm sorry to be the one to tell you, but that's just the way it goes now. I didn't mean to make that happen.
He is the elected head of our government. And to all the people in the media, all the people on the radical left, all the people in the Democratic Party screaming about democracy, Donald Trump is the one who is saving democracy. Donald Trump is the one who is saving our Constitution. Donald Trump is the one who is saving America. And any federal bureaucrat who defies the lawful orders of this president will be fired.
Oh my gosh, everyone's getting fired too. Sorry, you're all getting fired, and Donald Trump is your boss. There's nothing you can do about it. Stephen Miller is very excited about it. He's very excited about firing people now.
President Trump will ensure that whether you work at the FBI, whether you work at the CIA, whether you work at the Department of Homeland Security, the Department of Justice, the Department of Health and Human Services, career civil servants, also known as bureaucrats, work for the American people, and they work for the president the American people elected. They do not set their own agenda. They do not write their own rules. They do not work for themselves. They work for each and every one of you.
Well, that's true. They do work for each and every one of you, but that's like strange that you would have to say it. Yes, the U.S. Goebbels. This is the U.S. Goebbels. He looks like he's ready to kill.